Granary Road started out as a vision between a group of investors that really wanted to promote agriculture and science and kid-focused activities into that with education, where it was a mixture of play, supporting local businesses, the market, and then everything to do with farming and what makes Alberta, Alberta. It's a little hub outside of the city that has a little bit of everything. So we grow our own produce here, and the kids can really kind of get involved with hands-on activities and lots of learning about, hey, like local honey, where my honey comes from, how the bees produce it, vegetables, like what grows best in Alberta. You've got something for everyone. Mum and dad can fuel, your kids can be themselves. We're going to get dirty, we're going to get tired, we're going to get sweaty, we're going to touch a lot of animals and have the experience as if, you live on your very own acreage. Travel Alberta has helped us to build the new Discovery Centre, which is enabling us to go year-round with our operations. We're the first business in this area that's going to be open all year round. So it's all indoor, which is perfect for our winters. and basically it's a really cool place where you can go in and explore everything that is to do with Albertan farming and agriculture, and a little bit of science and education in there as well. And there's some playground elements with the slides and the zip lines and little trampolines to keep the younger ones entertained. But then also there's like some really cool pieces of equipment like the potato grader, some VR elements as well with a tractor simulator. So apart from the financial support, Travel Alberta has really connected us with some great partners to work with, namely Foothills Tourism and Calgary Tourism. There's some really great people all around Alberta that are really kind of invested in seeing this area grow and giving us support not only to just steer our strategy towards a bigger goal, but also giving us great things to think about in terms of how we can partner with the other local businesses that are also experiencing the same challenges. The community response has been great. They're really excited to have somewhere in the south that really caters for kids and has that kind of farm-like feel, but also is somewhere that they can meet with their family and friends, enjoy a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, or enjoy some of the local food vendors and basically have a great day out. Come visit us at Granary Road. We're just really looking forward to seeing everyone.